Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your currency on the Remitly application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Remitly app on your device and then log into your account using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to change your currency within your Remitly account, click on Manage at the bottom right corner. From the Manage page, in order to change the currency for your recipient country, you will need to change the recipient country. Click on the Sending To drop-down menu underneath Account Details, and now click on the preferred country relating to the currency that you wish to send the money in. If you wish to change the currency of your home country, then click on Profile. And now from the Profile information page, scroll down and you will find the Sending From option. Click on the Edit button, and now you can click on the drop-down menu to choose the sending country. You can now click on the Save button, and now your currency preferences will be applied to your account based on the countries that you chose within the Sending From as well as the Sending To options. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the currency within Remitly application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.